The next important term related to coordination compound is coordination number. Okay, next important term is coordination number. I will explain this topic by using one or two example. For example, PTCl6. PTCl6 2 minus. Central metal atom is platinum, ligand is chlorine. Okay, how many chlorine? 6. And here coordination number is equal to 6. So what is coordination number? Number of donor atom attached to the metal, a number of coordination to the metal, number of coordinate bond formed by central metal atom with the ligand. Okay, I will draw the structure of PTCl6, then it become clear. Platinum and 6. If 6 is the coordination number, the complex structure is called octahedral. Okay, if 4 square planar, 2 linear, 3 trigonal planar, there are different structures possible. If coordination number is 6, the structure is octahedral. And how to draw octahedral structure? Like this: Cl, 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 Cl. It's on a plane. 1 Cl above, 1 Cl down. Then this box we can represent like this. Okay, here these two boxes we can represent like this. And here there is one charge 2 minus. The 2 minus this. This is the structure of PTCl6 2 minus. And this spatial array, okay, sorry. This is the structure of PTCl6 2 minus. And this arrangement of ligands and metal atom is called coordination polyhedron. Okay, the next topic is coordination polyhedron. Okay, coordination number I will explain after this. Listen, what is coordination polyhedron? The spatial arrangement of compounds. Simply we can write spatial arrangement of coordination compounds are called coordination polyhedron. And here the coordination polyhedron is octahedral. This structure is called octahedral. Okay, platinum at the center. Then just like what here, platinum, Cl, then Cl, then Cl, and one more Cl here, one above, one below. Clear? Platinum, 4 Cl on a plane, 1 Cl above platinum, 1 Cl below platinum, below the plane. That is octahedral structure. Okay, and this spatial arrangement of complexes are called coordination polyhedron. Depends on the coordination number, different coordination polyhedron are possible. If coordination number is equal to 6, coordination polyhedron or coordination arrangement is octahedral. Now listen, what is by coordination number? Number of coordinate bond. Okay, I will write the definition here. Number of coordinate bonds formed by central metal atom. Central metal atoms. Central metal atom with the ligands. So please read the definition. What is the definition? Coordination number is equal to number of coordinate bond formed by central metal atoms with the ligand. Number of coordinate bond. See, this is one coordinate bond. Ligand donate electron to the platinum. Ligand have 3 pairs of electron and 1 pair will donate to the vacant orbital of platinum. So it form a coordinate bond. Vacant d orbital or p orbital of platinum. Then second chlorine also having 3 pair of lone pair. Out of 3 pair, 1 pair will donate to the vacant orbital of platinum and form a coordinate bond. So how many coordinate bond here? 2. Now 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number of coordinate bond with the metal and ligand is called a coordination number. Or simply we can say number of ligands around it. But for all cases it's not true. For example, CO En 3 plus. COEN 3 plus. And listen, En is what is En? NH2 CH2 then CH2 NH2 have two donor atom. Ethane 1,2 diamine. Then listen, cobalt. How many En? Like this, how many ligand? Here 3. Okay. So 3 we can write like this. Listen carefully. I am drawing an octahedral because coordination number here is equal to 6. What is the coordination number? Coordination number is equal to 6. But here it is equal to, here number is 3. But here coordination number is equal to 6. But in this case, here number 6, coordination number also equal to 6. Because Cl is a unidentate ligand. If ligand is unidentate, number of ligand is equal to coordination number. If ligand is didentate, this ligand is didentate because two donor atom. If ligand is didentate, coordination number is equal to double. What is the double of 3? 6. And why it is 6? Why it is double? You can understand from this structure. If coordination number is 6, what is the expected structure? Expected spatial arrangement. Spatial arrangement is also called coordination polyhedral. What is that expected polyhedral? Octahedral. Octahedral is like this: 4 coordinate bond on the plane, 2 are above. And listen, how many En? 2. Listen, 1 nitrogen here, this here, then H2, then CH2 is not donating electrons. CH2, second nitrogen from here. Listen, so this is 1 En. So 1 En make how many coordinate bond with the metal? 1, 2. And second, we can write like NH2 second En, because already it is mentioned 3 En. So 1 is over. Now second En, NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. So second En make 2 coordinate bond. Now instead of writing NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2, we can write like this. That is better. En indicate what? En is NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. Or we can draw like this. Listen, cobalt. A textbook you can see like this picture. Okay, octahedral. Then 1 En is here. Second En, don't draw here, because already this position is used by this NH2. So don't write again NH2 here. Write NH2 here, En. And third En is here. If you are starting from here, then second will come this position, third will come this position. Okay, yeah, this is CO. And listen, here one square bracket. You can represent here En. Sorry, En is inside. En is inside. And here 3 plus. Now listen, our topic is coordination number. How many coordinate bond? 1 En make 2 coordinate bond. Second En again 2. Third En again 2. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coordination number is 6. So what is the best? If didentate ligand, just take the double the number. Okay, then what about EDTA? 1 EDTA with the metal. If only 1 EDTA is present in the complex, only 1 EDTA, what will be the coordination number? 6. Because 1 EDTA can donate from 6 donor atom. So number of coordinate bond formed by 1 EDTA with the metal is 6. So coordination number is 6. 2 EDTA, double, 12. Okay, but if ligand is, listen, next example is CO NH3 6Cl3. What is the coordination number here? And the coordination number is, don't take this 3. This is counter ion. This part no need to consider. Okay. Only ligand number. And listen, here ligand is unidentate. So coordination number is equal to 6. Another example is, if a metal with the OX is oxalate is 3. So what is the coordination number? Oxalate is didentate. So coordination number is equal to 6, double the number. Okay, I will give you one more example. Fe C2O4. FeC2O4 3 minus, or 3 minus, or otherwise you can write K3 here. Both are correct. And here coordination number is not equal to 3. Coordination number is equal to 6. Why? C2O4 is a didentate ligand. So double the number, 6. Okay. So the coordination number. So now you learn 2 topics. One is coordination number. Second topic is coordination polyhedron. Okay. Coordination number or coordination polyhedron. Okay, and listen, actually this di means what? 2. Unidentate means what? 1. Hexa means what? 6. Actually this number also called density. Density means is it didentate, how many donor atom, that is density. Okay, so what is the coordination number here? We can write an equation like this. Coordination number is equal to number of ligands. Number of ligands is equal to 3. Number of ligands is equal to 3 into density. What is the density? C2O4, what is the density? 2 equal to 6. Okay, and listen, in the case of CN3, what is the equation of coordination number? You can use an equation. Coordination number is equal to number of ligands, 3. Is it didentate or tridentate? Di. So density equal to 2. So equal to 6. Okay, and in the case of PTCl6, okay, coordination number is equal to number of ligands, 6, into what is density? Cl is unidentate. It can donate only from chlorine. So 6 into 1 equal to 6. So you can use that equation also for calculating coordination number. Okay, coordination polyhedron means how the ligands are arranged in the space. If coordination number is 6, it is octahedral. If coordination number is 4, there are 2 possibilities, tetrahedral and square planar. If coordination number is 5, triangular bipyramidal. You know, you learned VSCPR theory. The same topic, same structural arrangement is possible with the different coordination number. Got it?